Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video will be my update about Vlogtober. I know I missed a lot of days and I just want to apologize about it. Last week was a very difficult time for me. I was just going through a lot outside of business. There was a lot of stuff going through business also, but for my personal side of things, I have family in the Philippines that was very ill, and we were just trying to make sure everything was fine, so I couldn't really like concentrate on, you know, oh, I gotta vlog today, things like that. And so I just like took time off. So last week I was able to release some $2 Tuesday for you guys, which you really like. If you want me to do like new releases video, especially for $2 Tuesday, I know a lot of you don't have Instagram, so I think this platform also works for new releases. If you want me to keep doing that, I will. But going back to my personal update, it was my grandma and she wasn't doing well. She's also really old, so we were just trying to communicate with her, and with the time difference it was a little bit difficult because like right now it's 5 o'clock and it's early in the morning there, so we try to make sure we call her then, and then later in the evening, maybe closer to noon, we do another call just to make sure that she remembers who we are, that she knows her family members and things like that. But she's doing really well now, so I decided to just take a pause and take a break on Vlogtober. And now that I'm finally okay with my family and a little bit of work problems last week, I decided to come back and vlog. So today's vlog will be another studio vlog, and I really like sharing life as a shop owner with you guys. And so there are things that are gonna be personal, but I will try and limit them and just stay as shop focused as I can, because that on its own is a lot of things. So but yeah, thank you guys so much for the support during Vlogtober. I know it was a fun glimpse at my life being a mom, a cook, a shop owner, everything in between. But anyway, so today I have about 13 open orders I need to finish, and these are still from the $2 Tuesday. I do have a 1 to 2 week turnaround, but I want to get them done by tomorrow so that before I release the next batch of $2 Tuesday, I won't have any open orders, you know what I mean? Because like, I don't like releasing stuff, especially if I still have like some open orders. It's just, I feel weird about it. Also, let me show you guys, we have a revision for Beryl. This is my old character over here, and then I'm trying to see if I could recreate her in a different format. Well, not format, but style, because this is very like chibi, but this is a little more doodly chibi. I don't know. So I was working on that today, and hopefully I can bring her back to the shop, so I'm excited for it. I also picked up 2 of these bricks because, as you guys know, I was using these ones before, and so I felt like I have more things coming to the shop in the next month or so, so I needed a better system, and I think I need to go get more at least 2 more, because these things aren't working for me anymore. But yeah, these over here are all monthlies, which I'm trying to stock up on. And these tabs right now, I know you guys were looking for them. They are currently out of stock on Amazon. I think I just had a good timing when I found it. It was like $8 for 200 of these, and now they're like $40 for 200. Too bad. But then these tabs I found at Office Depot, and they were like $9 for 25. So these would be my weekly kits. I also got a new tripod, which is a lot taller than my old one. My old one was like literally 5 inches tall, but this is way better. Also went to Michael's today, so I bought more of these cardstock. I'm gonna make more of the tabs I can use to divide my weekly kits. I'm really trying to get organized before Black Friday, because it does get super crazy. And also in about 5 days the Ratatouille kit will come out, and I will start showing you guys the Ratatouille kit in the next few days because I'm so excited for it. We also have a custom scent from Villainous Wax that's also gonna match the kit. I'm so excited. I think it'll be a good scent for kitchen or like even Thanksgiving. It's not cinnamony, but it smells like food. I have one here that I could show you, but I don't know exactly what hers will look like. So once that arrives, I'll start showing you guys. Okay, so we have 13 open orders like I mentioned earlier. These are the only stickers I need to make sure I fill all of those orders with, because a lot of the stuff I have were already printed and cut and ready to go. It's just that these are the only missing sheets. And then some of you wanted an update with the Nespresso. I really like it. I know you guys watched the vlogs during Vlogtober. I keep mentioning that I didn't need the frother. I think I do, because my current one's old, and it was from like the old Nespresso City or Sitsi, something like that. And they were the ones that would burn the milk in the bottom, and that's still happening for me. So I think I should have gotten one with the frother so we don't burn milk. And the thing I picked up at the Nespresso store is the Bianco Leggero, I think it's called, and it's the one that tastes like white chocolate mocha if you have the right creamer and milk and, you know, all of that. So I really like it. And they had a deal up there wherein if you buy 5 you get the next one free, so like a sleeve, and a sleeve has like 10 coffees in it. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and I haven't been there in a really long time. So if you're in Illinois, it's in Old Orchard Mall. So yeah, I don't think I need to buy anytime soon, so I'm gonna wait until maybe Black Friday. Maybe they'll have another deal for a frother, then I'll get it then. But right now I don't think there's a rush. But I see the little difference of having burnt milk versus not having burnt milk. So I have also been watching The Crown since I found out that Princess Diana will be in the 4th season, which will be coming soon, I think, really soon. So that's what I'm currently watching. We just finished Schitt's Creek again. That will be my 3rd time this year watching Schitt's Creek. So a few days ago, maybe a week now, it was on a Monday, and I have decided that I was gonna look around for some office spaces, and I found a good few around me. I just wanted to see how much they would cost, how it works and all of that, and to my surprise, none of it was like renting out an apartment or a condo, things like that. It was totally different. So the building isn't even that far from me. It's about a mile, not even a mile away, and pretty much a 5-minute drive, which is great because I figured if I need to go home, it's very close. And so it was just something for me to consider, and something that I physically saw myself to aim for. It's not just like, ooh, one day I want an office. I saw the office space that I wanted. It's kind of like an additional goal maybe for next year, something like that. We finished dinner and I didn't quite get full or even like satisfied with dinner because these were crabs that my mom gave me. It was just like some package blue crabs that she got from like the grocery store. She handed it to me the day I went to visit her, but I don't like it, and I cooked it and it wasn't good. So now I'm hungry, but instead of food, I pulled out my sample pack from Nespresso, and then I still have this much of these in here, and I know one of them is a decaf. So I am gonna make them, or I'm gonna make it. So there's one that is regular coffee and the other one is like actual espresso. So this is decaf coffee. I don't think I have the half decaf. This is the vanilla capsule. Okay, so we are back, and it literally filled my cup. I don't know if it'll focus, but the good thing about the Nespresso I noticed is that it really does the foam on its own. I didn't even use my frother here yet. It's just like a very foamy coffee. Alright guys, I want to show you what I did on this side. You guys saw the corkboard that's been there, but I added a photo of me and Edna, and then this is from Villainous Wax. This is actually from 28 Ink. She's a Chicago shop, and then another picture of Edna when she was 2, and then these are from Villa Beautiful. I don't know, I just like putting those up there, but I decided to change this area around. Not around, but you know what I mean. The Daibo 4XL used to be here, and I found that I kept piling on garbage. Not really garbage, but things that I don't use, and I just want to make sure that these are all packing materials, because these like houses my cellophane bags, and then some of them are down here in the IKEA drawers, but I just wanted a little bit of packing stuff up here, so I have a little bit of these tiny ones that I use for washi tape. These are for like if you order Hobonichi week sizes, and then as the size gets bigger, the mailer also gets larger. So these are like 7x9s, and then the holographic bubble mailers we use, I have them on this acrylic stand from Amazon. I will have these linked down below, but I use these for my vending tables at like conventions, so we're not using them right now. So I decided to use it and put it near my desk, and it's perfect. So I really like using these stands because right now I have like a little makeshift packing station, and then some of my journaling cards are here. I didn't put all of them because I wouldn't have room. Some freebies, we have these sticky notes. These are really tiny ones, and then I put both of my Miss Marvel Funko over here. I thought they were just pretty cute, and then my daughter's picture, and then over here I've always had these here, but I actually have to put my business card there. But right now I'm using these cards that we're giving out also, and then I put these samplers down here. So let's take this off because I feel like the camera doesn't want to focus on my face if I have the glasses on. But I'm gonna start cleaning up. I left that open because I kept coming in and out of the kitchen for no reason. So alright guys, it's like 1:10 in the morning, and I really need to get to bed. But I think the last clip I showed you guys was my little setup for my little mini packing station, as I'd like to call it. I just wanted to set up here because it's gonna take care of my daily orders, you know, things like that, the little things. These are not enough for let's say a group sale, because the samplers I have here also are designed for just my daily orders. They're not like the tiered type, they're just like samplers of the other products I sell in store. If you're a shop owner and you're watching this, samplers are not required for any orders. I just like doing it because I also introduce other products that my current customer probably doesn't know about, or I'd like to introduce it to them. The samplers are my #1 enemy because I always forget to make them. I always forget to print and cut them too, and then like sometimes when I have a lot of the orders done and ready to package, I'm like, oh my god, I forgot the samplers, and then it's gonna hold me back from, you know, doing them right then and there. I have to wait till the stickers get cut, package them, and then now they're ready to go to the post office. But then by that time I lose like a total of an hour already just trying to make samplers. So just learn from my mistake, have your samplers out and ready to go, and whenever you see them, you're running low, it's just a reminder that you have to make more. But yeah, so that's a long story about my packing station. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this vlog, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.